Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Easter Deco mesh centerpiece with items from the dollar store. What you will need: I have this adorable little sign, a smaller 8-inch wreath ring, I have white, pink, blue, and yellow deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut my mesh, all 4 colors, into 8-inch long pieces. And I have cut my stems into thirds. What I'm going to do, take a piece of my mesh, roll it to a cute little curl, just like this. Take another piece and repeat the same steps, crisscrossing them. And with the third piece. And I'm going to scrunch it right in the center. Take my stem and twist it in place a couple of times. And then I'm just going to adjust and maneuver. It looks so cute and precious. So I only used 3 colors instead of all 4. I'm going to alternate the colors for each bundle because I feel like 3 makes a pretty decent sized bundle. And I do have 4 colors, so with the next bundle I'll add in yellow and maybe leave out the pink. And I'll just mix it up like that. If you decide that you want all 4 colors in each bundle, you can definitely do that. If you want to just go with 2 colors, you can do that as well. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So as you can see, I have 3 completely different color variations. They're all so cute and precious. Putting them together is going to make a fun and cute centerpiece. I decided to go with all 4 because all 4 colors are on my sign. But you can definitely go with like blue and yellow. That would make a cute wreath, or even pink and yellow, whatever you prefer. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bundles placed and then we'll start placing it on our ring. Alright, so I have made several bundles. I believe I'm going to go with 5 bundles in each of my 3 sections. That makes a decent sized centerpiece. So I'm going to start by taking a bundle. You have a few options. You can place them all on the outer 2 rings, all on the inner 2 rings, or you can alternate. I like to alternate because it makes a nice poofy centerpiece, but go with whatever you prefer. So take your stem and you're going to twist it around the outer 2 rings. And then tuck away your stem. And remember, I said I alternated the color order of all of my bundles, so I'm just going to make sure I use different bundles right beside each other. So the next bundle is going to go on the inner 2 rings. And twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. Since I use a third of a Chanel stem, I don't have to worry about much stem. But if you want to use half of a Chanel stem, then you will have more stem to tuck away. And then I will go back to the outer 2 rings. And I'm just going to repeat these steps all the way around my centerpiece. You can do the exact same thing on the larger wreath ring and make an adorable curly wreath. Alright, so this is what one of my 3 sections looks like. This is what the back looks like. You can see I alternate it. Alright, so I'm going to get the rest of the mesh placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. As you can see, it's super poofy and curly and so cute. I only have 5 bundles in each of my 3 sections. And this is what the back looks like. Again, you can make this into a curly, cute, adorable little wreath. You can kind of separate out your center like that. To make mini wreaths, you want to place them on like windows or doors or anything like that. But I'm going to add this adorable sign to my center. So I'm going to hot glue just the one stem in place. If I were going to place this in the center of a wreath, I would have 2 stems. And you could still, use 2 if you choose to do so. But 1 is more than enough just to place in my centerpiece. Just make sure you have some of your stem hanging off the side of your sign. It's so fluffy and poofy. Again, you don't have to use a sign in the center. You can add a glass vase, a mason jar, and fill it with like candy, jelly beans, eggs, whatever you prefer. You can add in ribbon, any other type of embellishment you'd like. So I'm just pushing all of my mesh aside, taking my stem, and I'm going to twist it around the actual wreath ring. I'm going to do this a couple of times to make sure it's nice and secure. And then fluff back up my mesh. Repeat the same step on the other side. Just like that. I'm just adjusting and maneuvering. You don't have to use a sign for the center. You can have it as like a candy holder or a decor holder for eggs, jelly beans, whatever you'd like. This is your chance to have fun with it and make it your own. So it looks so cute and precious already, but I think I want to brighten it up just a little bit. So I've made a few solid white bundles that I'm going to place in between. Like I said, just to make it a little bit brighter, but if you prefer it like this, then you can definitely leave it just the way it is. But just like I added the other bundles, I'm going to add the solid bundles just in between the bundles that are already in place. So adding those few bundles just brightened up the centerpiece a little bit. Again, if you wanted to stay how we had it at first, then you can leave it just like that. It's completely up to you, but it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire centerpiece for less than $10.